Hey, thanks for coming over. Grab some coffee and then let's talk about quality in EMS. Today I thought we'd talk about baselines. Baselines are measurements taken at a starting point and then compared with measurements we would take later on. So for example, let's suppose we were considering making some changes to our STEMI care process. We would want to get some baselines on how well our STEMI care process is working right now. And for that we might use an outcome measure like the STEMI mortality rate, which would be the percentage of STEMI patients that survive to hospital discharge. We might also use a process measure, particularly if that process measure is connected or associated to the outcome measure. And a good example of that would be the first medical contact to balloon time. The science shows us that when the first medical contact to balloon time is shorter, the mortality rate improves. So that would be a good process measure to use. So in any case, we would want to get the baselines on our outcome measure or our process measure before we introduce the change to our STEMI care process. Those would be the baselines. Then we can introduce the change, look at it again, and see if the measurements got better. And that way we would objectively know whether or not the change we introduced made things better, made them worse, or maybe they stayed about the same. Baselines, good things to have on all of your important clinical, operational, support processes. So finish up your coffee and go try something.